Hi, I'm Brett Corbett, Director of Technical Services at Prime Source, and today we're going to give you some information about pesticide labels. This can be printed or written information concerning each chemical. It is required by law for all importers, manufacturers, and distributors to ensure that each chemical is labeled with the following information. The name, brand, or trademark under which the pesticide is sold must appear on the front panel or label. The name or percentage by weight of each active ingredient and the total percentage by weight of all other or inert ingredients must be on the front panel of the label. Next, the statement, "Keep out of reach of children," must be present on the front panel of every label. Usually, next to this statement is a signal word. The signal word corresponds to the toxicity of the pesticide in relation to humans. These vary from Category 1 to Category 4 pesticide, and the signal words range from danger, poison, warning, and caution. The EPA registration number must also be present on the product. This is very important, especially to help with tracking different products. The EPA establishment number also must be present on all products. Usually the label is attached as a booklet on the front of the bottle, like so. Inside, you will find directions for use. Also inside the label will be a section, Hazards and Precautionary Statements. Environmental hazards identify the hazards and precautions necessary to avoid potential accidents, damage, or injury to the environment or all non-target organisms. This is always located next to PPE or personal protective equipment. You should check out our PPE video on our page to find out more about this. Storage and disposal section is also always found inside the label. This includes how to properly store the pesticide and dispose of the pesticide and residue from the container. Under directions for use, you'll find agricultural use requirements as well as non-agricultural use requirement. These include PPE and restricted entry intervals, or the time allowed for people to re-enter the area after pesticides have been used here. Next listed will be what each pesticide controls. For this example, we're using a herbicide, so you'll see the words weed control. If we were using insecticide, it would say insects controlled, and on a fungicide, it would say diseases controlled. Lastly will be the use rates for each crop. Remember to make sure your sprayer is calibrated before use. You can also find our sprayer calibration video on our YouTube channel. Remember, always follow the label because the label is the law. Even if you also have any questions, feel free to call the number and a professional can help walk you through it. If you liked this video and thought it was helpful, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks.